Allevia is a brand name for the antihistamine fexofenadine. It's used to treat allergy symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, and itchy throat or nose. Here are some key benefits of Allevia. It's a non-drowsy formula, provides fast-acting relief, and has long-lasting effects, usually up to 24 hours. Taking Allevia is easy. Just take 1 tablet with water, preferably at the same time each day. You can take it with or without food. While Allevia is generally well tolerated, some people might experience mild side effects like headache, drowsiness, or nausea. If you have any severe reactions, stop taking it and consult your doctor. Have any questions? Drop them below.